1 years
are
old.
doing another one of these milk distributions, and the sun is scorching hot
Hey, sir.
today.
He's
What?
the 1 years old.
Oh, okay. All right.
The adults no more?
Huh?
Adults no?
No,
That's my no.
no adults. So, are we done? We have started this today, and like I said, it's scorching hot today, and hence you see my new hat model. Didn't bring my hat today, so we're gonna
milk.
continue down there and take you with us on a round of milk distribution today. All right, that was a tough little intro to do with all the noise going on and a little bit of interruptions. But anyway, we have over the past 4 or 5 weeks tried to take care of the needs for a number of families and infants and children, distributing rice and milk. And today is one of those, I call them milk runs. So we're going to try to complete that today. Milkless. It's a scorching hot day today, and it's almost unbearable. And but we will press on today and try to get it done. It's not too bad. I think it's been closer to 100 degrees Fahrenheit or 37 or something Celsius here for a couple of days. So the hurricane that is coming up is going to be something that we don't look forward to, but it's probably going to cool off a little bit. All right, so here we have come down to a new area. This area I think have close to maybe 80, 90 kids, and we've seen a little need down here as well, and these are such precious little souls. They need their milk, and like we need, as adults need nutrition, they need their nutrition to grow, calcium, milk, and all that. They are so precious. Some of them are just like giving a hand thumbs up and other thing. We try to distance ourselves, and our team that has helped us, Mr. Paco, Mark, and some other people, they are coming from working for the mayor's office, so they're familiar with the area, and we let them run this, and we try to stay in the background as much as possible. It's kind of interesting when you get into an area and you show up. The street could look totally empty, and when you roll in and you stay there for a minute or less, you have all these people out. We are trying to raise the awareness, and as you can see, that most of the kids today, they are wearing masks as well as the adults. We have also said to most of them that unless you wear a face mask and unless you practice a little social distancing, you can't come up and get the milk. So that has, I think, helped to put those masks on. It's good to have the awareness for the actual part of this that is so contagious, and I think we reached a little bit of a goal there. We can see clearly that this has improved over the last 4 or 5 weeks, And you know, as long as they understand what it is that creates this, it's good for them. Look at that little precious girl. She is so cute. So over these 2 months since we started this, a couple, 3 weeks into the actual quarantine, we have been able to support closer to 400 families with rice, and we are now supporting over 500 children with milk products that they so much need. I did a little photo collage here, and I will put that in here, right here, and we'll give you a 1-minute photo collage with a little bit of music, so stay tuned. All right, that was a little photo collage from our one of our later milk distributions. Captured the moment, captured the mood, captured these incredible kids. One of the things here I'm really amazed about is, despite the problems, despite everything here, you rarely ever hear anybody complaining. People are happy, people are positive, trying to survive. And now when we are coming in here, the 16th, we are going to MECQ, I think it is called, Modified Enhanced Quarantine, and we shall see what that means. We will discuss some of that on our live feed coming up here on Sunday. So if you haven't visited our live feeds, feel free to log on. It's going to be coming up at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday night, and 8 a.m. in Manila Sunday morning. We are exactly 12 hours ahead of Eastern Standard Time, so that'll be. So we have been here before. Sometimes you might see an adult coming up and pick up the kids. We do not allow that unless the child has been verified. And by verified, I mean that the first time they get milk for the child, they actually have to bring the child so we can make sure that milk doesn't go to adults and others, as we are focusing on 0 to 3 years of age. Some occasional 4-year-old has gotten a little bit, but that's it. All right, guys, we are about to wrap this thing up, and hope you enjoyed to participate in the milk run. All right, thank you for watching. God bless, and we'll see you Saturday night, 8 p.m. and Sunday morning, 8 a.m. in Manila. So, God bless, and bye for now. Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button. And then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again.